My name is Aleda.
Where are you from?
Hayward, California.
Okay.
My experience with the Quran was a very professional one. It was an experience that I have to be I was very satisfied because I was provided with excellent service. It was very technical, it was very thorough, and I learned a lot about the real estate industry while working with Quran. When I first met Quran, I was surprised because he was very personable. He made me feel very at ease. I was impressed with his knowledge, and it made me very confident that I was in good hands. I mean, he worked almost 24/7, so when I reached out to him, sometimes he would respond 11 o'clock or early in the morning. He was always available, which I liked, and I appreciated that special service that he provided. If I had questions, he was very quick to respond, and so I liked that he was attending to what I needed from him.